It's a cool looking building. It's Arabic or Moorish from a period of time back when where the Moors were part of were running Sicily. Let's go take a closer look. I don't know why, but people are looking at me funny. All the locals here are looking at me funny. I don't know if it's because I obviously I'm not from here, or for a moment I thought it might be because I'm filming and they might not like that, or maybe because I'm just in a shirt and everybody else is carrying umbrellas and trying to stay dry. I couldn't care less. Arabic infrastructure, and I shouldn't say infrastructure, Arabic architecture, I should say, quite different indeed compared to Christian architecture. And again, this is everything around here is in obvious state of disrepair, or in some cases just abandonment. I walked by what was over by the Capuchin catacombs. I walked by what was formerly a train station. Well, people just got the hell out. Maybe they decided they'll take scooters instead, or maybe they just hopped on a train and never came back here. Yeah. Well, it's lunchtime now. I'm probably going to start heading back to my hostel again. I'm going to try to relax a little bit. My feet, I mean, I'm not actually tired. I'm not actually tired. I'm just hurting. But I believe I'm a far, far ways from home. All right, well, I'm gonna reset my GPS to find the closest way to get home.